What's your favourite sitcom of all time?
Friends is the best sitcom in the history of TV right there.
No, How I Met Your Mother is the best.
Huh, millennials do nothing.
Are you not millennial?
Yeah, but I'm the mature kind, and mature people know that Friends is the best. End of story. I think one of the best ways to learn English or any other language is to watch sitcoms.
Yeah, I definitely agree because it's so close to real life conversations, so you pick up loads of cool words and expressions.
And it's fun to watch, so you'll take everything in more easily.
So what sitcoms have you been watching?
Let's see. So I watch from the good ones like Friends, How I Met Your Mother, Big Bang Theory, to the mediocre ones like Two Broke Girls, Young and Hungry, Melissa and Joey. So when I ran out of current shows to watch, I watch the old ones like Full House or That 70s Show. And some that are not filmed in front of a live audience like Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Modern Family, Veep, Silicon Valley.
Oh my god, you're such a couch potato. It's like all you do is watch TV.
No, I'm not. I watch Netflix, not TV, and I stay in bed, not on the couch. So technically you can't call me a couch potato.
Okay, so you're a bed sweet potato then? But seriously, do you ever go outside?
Sometimes, yes, when I can find someone to hang out with.
Your life is so sad.